Hello everyone, John Price here at E.C.D Automotive Design, bringing you up to date with all the new and exciting news that we've got for the month of September. We start off with an incredible array of new custom builds, starting off with Project Arbo, which is a Defender 110, built of course to our client's specifications, Storm Away gray exterior and an eggshell finish with black. Besides that, of course, the inside of the vehicle was very well tailored with a two-tone tan and black interior. Then we have Project Pearl, which is probably one of the most stunning vehicles that we've done in a while. This car is absolutely amazing, all painted in all English white throughout the exterior with silver accents around. Project Titan came out next. That was an EV Defender 110, all blue in the exterior, black accents throughout the exterior as well. Interior wise, had a beautiful laid out black and white stitching setup, and of course many options to list. Then we have Project Oliver, that is an absolutely gorgeous Defender 110 in black and black. Also the steering wheel, truly a very elegant and aggressive looking truck at the same time. Then we come to Project Daybreak, and this one was really a special treat. Vehicle had a olive green exterior with a distressed brown interior, light wood accents inside, and also some cream elements in the exterior to make it extra special. We continue with Project 69 Miles, painted in a Porsche yachting blue metallic, absolutely gorgeous truck, and also with wood paneling throughout the vehicle flooring. We continue with Project Lancashire, part of our county collection. Absolutely stunning looking truck, Borealis black exterior, an eggshell finish, white body kit, just to name a few of the elements that make this car very special. Then we have Project Abidaji, which is a perfect blend between a traditional Defender and a modern style truck. You have the Con 1983 satin black wheels, also a two-tone interior with honeycomb stitching, making the car extra special, and also a very elegant looking truck. This month, we also saw our first ever E.C.D Porsche 911 Resto Mod. Based on a 993 platform, this vehicle is two-wheel drive, wide body, and is absolutely stunning. We also have a couple of interesting feature articles, one on why a professionally restored Resto Mod Classic Range Rover is worth every penny, and then from Model Muscle Car, the best powertrain upgrades for a classic 1967 Mustang Resto Mod. So don't forget to check those out. We're also showing our latest facility tour video, so you and everyone else can get a really good sense of what's coming through the line and how the process worked with E.C.D in every custom build. Now, as part of our press features this month, we showcase Project Ghost features and also Project Oliver. Project Ghost is an incredible Mustang 1967 that we built in recent times. And you can see in detail all the elements that went to make this vehicle the very special car it is. And then of course, there's also a closer look at Project Oliver, the amazing black on black Defender 110 I was mentioning earlier. Now we've also introduced VIP test drive services, which are available within a 75-mile radius from its locations. Now, qualified clients will enjoy a one-of-one tailored test drive experience with an E.C.D brand ambassador, arriving at their home or office to present a custom-built E.C.D vehicle for a personal experience. Now, as E.C.D is counting down until the announcement of a partnership with Chelsea Truck Company, you can find more details on our website on the link below. September has been an incredible month for us here at E.C.D. I really hope you enjoy the highlights. Don't forget to check us out in all social media platforms, and thanks again for watching.